welcome to another RMA Fire tutorial. Let's have a look at crawling through sand. In today's preview, we'll be looking at what I will be teaching you guys next week. This render here used to be quite complex to do before. However, with NPM's incredible sand setup, I'm gonna break it down, show you guys how it's set up, and use their incredible tools to tweak and build our own. In our own setup, I'm going to be covering how we can optimize the collisions to make sure that the sand reacts accordingly, set up some custom extra collisions which is going to constrain the sand and make sure that we get nice solid trails in there, a few tricks onto how we can optimize the start of the simulation in order to squeeze the most out of the solver and make it look as realistic as possible. Then we'll be looking at how I went about texturing it and some tricks that I tend to do when working with sand.